Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode coming up. I'm going to be reunited with my little chihuahua Mookie back in Calgary. We're going to go get some takeout and bring it back to my Tiki Bar. First up, I'm going to make a drink. This is called a Farmer's Martini. So I got my Martini shaker here. A little ice in the Martini shaker. And this is a stiff one. It actually calls for 3 ounces of gin. And a ½ ounce of sweet vermouth. And then a ½ ounce of dry vermouth. And a dash of bitters. A little more ice. And we're going to give that a shaky shake. And I'm just going to strain that on into a martini glass. And I got a nice lime wedge as a garnish. And that's a Farmer's Martini. Coming up next, we got Mookie. All right, Mookie and I did a little run to Dairy Queen. The blizzard I got is a very cherry chip blizzard. And I got some fries and chicken tenders. Looks good. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie and I'm Chappie, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.